welcome back to another video. So today we are going to cover the bulk email and SMS section inside Go High Level. It's a very basic concept and it is going to be a very quick video. So let's dive into GHL. I'm inside the Go High Level and particularly in the contacts tab. You have to search someone, or you can also use some smart list, but I have searched the test contacts. So what I'm going to do is select all of these. What the bulk action does is performs the same action on huge amount of members, a huge amount of contacts. So you can also run the bulk action on a single contact. Let me show you this, and I can select a single contact and send them in a bulk action, send in email automation or export them using the bulk action. So you may use the single contact or use all of the contacts or some of your selected ones. So I'm going to send them an email. So I will confirm and proceed, and I can just action name is for us, and just to remember what bulk action we chose and why do we choose that. It's for our own purposes. So you can type your message here or use a pre-built existing template and then send them email. So you have to confirm this checkbox before sending them email. Without it, you won't be allowed to send them the emails. Afterwards, we are going towards the action SMS. Also, in a similar way, we can send them the email and SMS also. So just like this, you can also send them all at once, but you can also use them in the trip mode. So yes, again we have to check this button, and then you will choose your message content. What is your message content, and select your valid phone number from here, and also the action name. That is for your own purposes. So that's it. And if you find this video helpful, you may like the video and hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.